How would you react if someone told you that your name can influence your everyday choices as well as your life shaping decisions? Your name can powerfully affect your individuality, personality, and destiny. Often, your name is decided before birth and is subconsciously sensed or picked up by your parents. It is said that your name will carry the vibrational signature of your past, present, and future potentials. Friends, this is Dr. Neeti Sharma. I study and practice astrology, Vastu, palmistry, numerology, and other occult sciences. Today, I will tell you top 10 personality features of people whose name starts with alphabet F. Friendly. Alphabet F person exhibits characteristics of a friend, such as being kind, helpful, and affectionate. He is easy to talk to, serving a beneficial or helpful purpose to the society. Planner. They are very good planners. They schedule each event, appointment, task in such a way that they don't run out of time. They set specific due dates and deadlines for everything to help to stay on track and have extra time left for themselves and their family. Comforting. You will always find a feeling of relief, consolation, solace, affliction in their presence. They believe in giving comforts to others. Loyal. Alphabet F people are very loyal, reliable, and always true in general. They keep their relations on priority. They show very subtle yet powerful signs that they care. Responsible. It is very easy for the F people to carry a strong sense of personal and professional responsibilities. They are able to consciously make decisions, conduct behaviors that seek to improve oneself or others. They are very accountable and accept the consequences of their actions and decisions. Optimist. Expecting the best. Alphabet F person has a mental attitude with the tendency to have a favorable view on situation in life. They are more likely to expect a positive outcome than a negative one. They are able to see the opportunity in negative developments. Humorous. They have the quality that makes you laughable or amusing in a funny way. They love entertaining others in a witty, amused manner. Social. They enjoy socializing and being in a crowd but are not as good when in a one-on-one setup. They can hold long conversations with people very comfortably. Romantic. From this day forward, you shall not walk alone. Your heart shall be my shelter, and my arms will be your home. Yes, Alphabet F people are born nurturers and extremely romantic and committed in personal relationships. Childish and vengeful. They tend to be childish and vengeful at times. Sometimes they behave like immature person and also tend to have a feeling of revenge towards another person who has done them wrong in past. Thank you friends. This is all for Alphabet F personalities. Next, we will come up with Alphabet G. Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon button, share and like the video.